What's up, you guys? Welcome to another Get It Done video. So if it's your first time watching Bradley Party of 6, just make sure you click subscribe. Also follow us on Instagram if you want to see some of the behind the scenes stuff. But today we're going to do another Get It Done video. I think this is number 6 if I'm not mistaken. We have so much to do. We are actually hosting people over this Saturday. We're hosting people over. We're having like just a little couples get together, and so we got to get our house together. There's going to be several people over here who have not seen the house yet, so they're going to want to walk all through the house. Y'all know how that goes. So we have to get this thing together. There is a lot to do. This video will probably span over several days because I'm not going to be able to get it all done today, but I thought today was a good day to get started. So we have laundry. We have bathrooms to do. We have the office to clean up. We have some sweeping and mopping to do. I have to clean up my beauty space, this bedroom, change some sheets, clean up MJ's room. There is a long ass list of stuff to get done. So if you guys want to do it with me, you know what I'm saying? Put it up on the TV or your phone or wherever, and y'all can clean with me, okay? Hopefully these videos are motivating for you. I figure we all gotta clean our house anyway, so we might as well do it together, okay? Normally we start with coffee, but it's the middle of the day. I'm not drinking any coffee today, so I do have my smoothie, so I'm just going to drink this, and let's just get started.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure.
Alright, you guys, so we just did some laundry, finished up some things, And next stop is, I look a whole mess. Next stop is the refrigerator. So I've been meaning to clean out our refrigerator for months. I mean, honestly, months. And I just haven't gotten around to it. So today is the day that we're actually gonna tackle that. I really don't feel like it, but let's work it out. Let me just give y'all a little sneak peek of what we got here. First of all, the refrigerator, the outside of it is streaky and filthy, and I can't stand it. Then we got this first little part right here. It's all types of stuff up here. Like Mark done had these in here forever. I don't know if he gonna drink these or not. Are these even, are they good until May 31st? So I guess he still can drink them, but I don't know. We got lemon juice here, which I didn't even know we had lemon juice, so I bought other lemon juice. I think that yogurt is old. I'm pretty sure this baby milk, this bottle has been in here for days. And don't be laughing at us, y'all, because my baby been drinking out of the pink bottle tops. That's what they gave us. You know, he don't know the difference. Look, ain't nothing wrong with it. So these pure proteins, are these still good or no? I don't know, so I gotta look at the dates on these pure proteins and premier proteins to see if they're still good. Got some taco sauce. As you can see, we got some spots up in here, and then there's all, I don't know what's going on in here, y'all. I really don't. There's a lot of stuff in here that we just need to kind of just to clean out. And then if we open the regular part of the refrigerator, this is a whole mess as well. There's some like wilted grapes in here, some old jalapenos back there, just all types of stuff that don't need to be in here. This chicken is still good. Mari's been eating this chicken every day, but there's stuff back there that probably shouldn't be back there, and just stuff that we need to clean out of here. I need to cut up and freeze some of this fruit for our smoothies, and I know these drawers are just nasty. Like there's another spot right there. These things need to be cleaned out so bad. I don't think a lot of the product in there is bad, but the drawers are just dirty. So I'm going to clean this out, wipe it down. We got old takeout, y'all. I'm gonna clean it out, wipe it down, and hopefully this don't take me all day because I got other stuff to do, but this might be my limit for the day. We'll see.
See me now, why don't you hear me out? Can't you see what we're about? I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more, but I don't want this anymore. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the toe. Much. Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye.
Okay, y'all, so we have emptied the entire refrigerator. Y'all, I ain't messing with that freezer today, but we've emptied the entire refrigerator. So now I have to wipe and clean everything out. This refrigerator actually holds more stuff than I thought. If you guys remember when we were building the house and I went shopping for the refrigerator, and I didn't think this refrigerator would hold as much as our last one, the side-by-side one, but it actually does. So it holds a lot of stuff. Look at all this food that was in the refrigerator. So all types of stuff. Like these strawberries we just bought. Like I said, I need to cut those up. These I actually just bought, which I bought these before we decided to go pescatarian again. I'm still gonna eat them because I mean, it's just a little bit of pork, I guess, sausage and bacon. You know, you just put an egg in it. I usually put 3 eggs in it, and that's my meal, and then have like a piece of toast. So like I said, I bought these before we decided to go pescatarian. So it's a little bit of pork, but you know, I'll get that out. I want to eat those. So this is all the food that was in the refrigerator. Just a bunch of like leftovers from a couple weeks ago that I haven't eaten. Piece of steak from a week ago, all types of stuff in here. old takeout. There was fruit and everything in the bottom. So Go-Gurts for the kids that they need to eat. Just bad veggies and all of our almond milk and stuff like that. So all types of stuff in here. Now what I'm going to do is wipe down the refrigerator. This is the part I really don't feel like doing, but we're gonna do it. So let's go.
My love already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone that's got the to me, it's so you just have to do without. Here's something you can think about. You play me good, there's no doubt, but you're the one that's missing out. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Guess I'm not into you that much. Ooh. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone that's got the
Okay, y'all, so we are rocking and rolling. The refrigerator is completely cleaned out. I cleaned out all the drawers, cleaned out the back of it, all of that. Now I just need to go through all this food and see what's good and what needs to be thrown out. I got my trash bags here and we're ready to go. I'm like sweating, first of all. Like, I'm so hot. I've been doing this for like an hour, but I was determined to get this done today, so let's go.
Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand, up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic dream at midnight. So hard to please.
y'all. It has been a few days since I cleaned out the refrigerator, which were the last clips that you saw, but I told you guys that this video would most likely span over a few days, and there's more stuff to be done. So tonight I am actually going to, of course, we have more laundry to do. I'm gonna try to clean up a few things, but I'm also going to try to cook some apple crisp. So my diet has been really going to ish lately, you know. I was supposed to get back on it, and then I just can't seem to get it together. So I want to get this apple crisp out of the house. At least that's what I'm telling myself. So I'm gonna cook some apple crisp tonight, and I will show you guys which one I am making. It's just like one of the box ones, but we're also gonna do a little cleaning. The kids are yelling in there per usual, so let's go ahead and get started. What you doing? Da. Hey. So y'all, I was about to make the apple crisp, right? I just made the kids, well, I put them some pizza in the oven like y'all saw, because today is going to be an easy dinner day. I am just not feeling the day, y'all. So, oh, here's my mother's thermometer. But yeah, I wanted today to be a super easy dinner day. So I just threw some pizza in the oven. But I went to go make the apple crisp and then found out that our apples were rotten. So I'm headed to the grocery store now so I can pick up some apples. Oh, because once I said the word like apple crisp, it was like, no girl, you gotta make that apple crisp. Like, it was just there in my mind. There was no turning back. The apple crisp had to happen. So yeah, once I said that, like, Mark is like, you really about to go to the store and get some apple crisp? And I'm like, yes. Once it's in my mind, once I've made up my mind that I want something, that's it. Like, there's no turning back, you know what I mean? Are y'all like that, or is it just me? Is it just me that acts crazy like that? But once I say something, like, that's the end of it. I'm getting it. I'm doing it. It is what it is. Y'all probably know that about me over the years, from watching us over the years. Like, if I mention something, I feel like I'm just mentioning it to make myself feel better, but in my mind, it's already mine, you know? I've already gotten it. That's just how my brain works. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna head to the grocery store. I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna make the apple crisp, probably do some more laundry, a little more straightening up. I need to pack up my stuff for work tomorrow as well, because I have to go into the office tomorrow. So I'm gonna do that as well. And I'm going to shut it down for the night. It's actually a weekday. Normally I film these videos on Saturdays. So this half of the video is actually a weekday. So I have worked a full day, and now we are cleaning up. But it's stuff that had to be done. So, you know, a mother's work is never done. Y'all know, shoot, a woman's work, a wife's work, it ain't never done, okay? We working all day. So let's head to the stove.
So full of self-confidence, and everything you said made a lot of sense. I I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut through the rain. We see the distance grow, I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages, I'm closer to you there I guess. Living in your messages, every day now I confess. From within, you can light up any room without going in. Funny how just a few letters in a row can turn into a smile.